symbolize the strength of the football in the country. And we are inviting the members of all the public to come and attend this inauguration. And this inauguration, of course, as mentioned, with the chair that will be graced by His Excellency the President of the country, General Salva Kiir, and the President of FIFA, Gianni Infantino, will be here, and hired delegation from FIFA, CAF, and CECAFA will be attending this occasion, and this marks a historical day for us to have international stadium. It has not been, we have not been having this facility. It is the first time in our history to have this facility. It is the only one that we have in the country, and it is a privilege for our sons and girls to play at home. We have been playing outside and give us a lot of disadvantage, materially and morally. So it is a great honor for us to inaugurate this stadium, as well to play a match home between Sudan and South Sudan, which is historical. So let us come to cherish our national team, the Pride Star. The Pride Star are coming to play currently in Togo in Lomé to play against national team of Togo on the 5th. We wish them the best. However, more importantly, to play here at home in Juba National Stadium is very historical for us, and this is a FIFA World Qualifiers game that is very important. So I'm calling upon all our citizens and football lovers and all the residential people who are here to come and support our national team, the Pride Star. That is a pride of our nation. That is a symbol of our unity, a symbol of our peace. And we are calling upon all the private sector who are concerned about their sons to have this game successful, to come and support their Pride Star. So all the well wishes are called upon to come and support the national team. Whether materially and morally is very important, and private sector are so crucial. There's no football can be developed without private sector support, because it's part of the social corporate responsibility for us to support our sons, our girls, our national teams who are playing. For us, is a symbol of the nation. This is where we sing a song of our national anthem. This is where we raise South Sudanese flag, and I think it's very crucial. So this crucial day, and the press, remember the press and the media, you have a crucial role to do this job for us, and we'll have a very historical day that will bring everybody on board. Whether our government is keen to see this, and I want to thank our government of making sure that this stadium is open, because now we can see, you are seeing the road being constructed by ARC has not been a simple thing, and at the same time we want also to thank that the contractor, the gears, and also thanks all of those who contributed to this building. This infrastructure is very important. Remember the press. It is your role to let us be exposed to declare this day as an important day, because that is the role of the press and the media always. And the media has been asking, when are you opening? And it is the day that we choose to make it. And the president of FIFA is traveling a long way to come and grace and join president for them to grace. It is built by FIFA Forward. It is a very important project for us, and I want to say to thank the minister for making sure that this also make sure to coordinate and make all necessary steps for him to let this time. Without the minister, it could have been very difficult for us also to end up with this successful opening of the stadium. So I thank all of you and wish you all the best in declaring the day to the public. Thank you.